Hi, in front of me is Xiaomi Redmi 9T, and today I would like to show you how you can customize keyboard theme on this device. First of all, you need to open settings and scroll down. Now choose additional settings, go into languages and input, manage keyboards and settings. Tap on theme over here and tap on this plus icon under my themes. Then you can select a photo by clicking on the chosen one. When you're done, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Now tap next, adjust brightness by swiping left or right and tap done. Over here you can click on the switcher next to gray borders to turn them off or on and tap apply. So now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!